I was just trolling, guys. I do not like my baby father. Ooh! Wait a minute. Lord have mercy on me. It's called shrinkage hoe. Get into it. 16 inches of hair in this fro. Never confuse me. Y'all listen to my baby day diss track. It's whack. Move.
I'm sick of my baby mama going like telling y'all I'm broke. I'm sick of y'all hopping on posts talking about shit y'all know. I'm sick of y'all trying to pay me like a dope fiend. I don't do coke. Thank God I ain't got no gun, cause on Lil Chris I let that bitch blow.
I'm calling you daddy. Can you ever finish the lyric? Oh my God. Be without you, baby. Oh, we already did that part. I got money, I got hoes, I don't need clothes. Huh? Till I beat they ass and make them leave out. Are we thinking half up, half down? It's just a little square part though. Are we thinking this, or should I do a braid in the front or something? I'm kind of feeling this. I'm kind of feeling this.